So now we're moving to lab 5, which has to do with setting account and password expiry data. And for this task, we are going to be using Alma Linux 9. So the first thing to do is that we have to open our terminal. Analyze this. We open our terminal and create a user account for a given user, say Samsung, with the expiry date of June 30th, 2025, and view the results. So we are going to sudo user at expiry 2020, let's say 2026, sit, let's say May, let's say April, let's say April 30th, 2026, Samsung. Okay, so let's view the results. Sudo -l Samsung. Okay, here we have seen last password change April 28, 2026. Password expires never. Password inactive never. Minimum number of days between password change 0. Number of days warning before password expire 7. Okay. So now the next thing that we have to do is to use the user mode to change Samsung's account expiration date to July 31st. Okay, let's change Samsung's expiry date. Let's say 2026. Let's put it to May 20th. Okay. Oh, May 20th for the user Samsung. Sudo user mode. Okay, let's verify. Sudo change Samsung. Okay. Account expires on April 30th. That means it does not work. Let's try that again. User sudo mode -e 20th May. Oh, I see. Why it's not working. Hold on a little. Battling with some syntax errors. Let me check if I'm done that correct. Sudo user mode -e 2026 for the user Samsung. It's supposed to work. Or if we verify, we'll see that it has not changed. We'll clear this. Now assign a password to Samsung's account. The info seems to change his password on his first login. First, we need to log in as Samsung and change his password. And sudo Samsung. Sudo password Samsung. Simple the password. So password to expire. Now let's see what happens. So you see that password must be changed and the account expires on the 30th of April 2026. So let's try to switch as Samsung. We are asked to input our password. We input the password. You see, we are asked to change our password immediately. So this leads us to the end. Not really the end. So the next thing I will need to do is that we used to use the CH to set a 5-day waiting period for changing passwords and make sure that a password expiration period of 90 days is applied as well as an inactive period of 2 days and a warning period of 5 days. So to do that on the user Samsung, we need to it was precise how we should use the ch command. So I'm going to say sudo ch -m equals to 5, that's a 5-day waiting period, capital M password expiration of 90 days space -l inactive period of 2 days capital W the warning period 5 days for the user Samsung authentication. Samsung. It's like this thing didn't get us right. So change mode, small M5, big M90, listing. Oh, inactive. So this thing is capital I. Okay. Oh, I see. So now I need to check. So ch list Samsung. You see that I have maximum number of 90 days between password change. Minimum number of days between passwords to be 5. Number of days of warning before password expires to be 5 as well. So we have successfully come to the end of lab 5, which was a success.